Today, we stand at the precipice of greatness, on the brink of realizing our dreams and aspirations. But let me tell you, the journey to success is not merely paved with determination and effort. It requires a steadfast commitment from within, a preparation of the mind that transcends the physical realm. As we embark on this journey towards our goals, we must first recognize the immense power that resides within our minds. Our thoughts, beliefs, and attitudes shape the very fabric of our reality. It is said that what the mind can convey is it can achieve. So, let us prepare our minds to reach the pinnacle of our aspirations. The first step is preparing our mind is to cultivate a mindset on unwavering belief. Believe in yourself, believe in your abilities, and believe in the possibility of your dreams becoming a reality. The road ahead may be fraught with obstacles and challenges, but with a steadfast belief in yourself, no mountain is too high to climb. Next, we must nurture a mindset of resilience. Understand that setbacks and failures are not roadblocks but stepping stones on the path to success. Embrace these challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Remember, it is not the fall that defines us, but the manner in which we rise. Furthermore, let us cultivate a mindset of perseverance. Rome was not built in a day, and neither will our dreams be realized overnight. Stay the course, remain dedicated to your goals, and never waver in your pursuit of excellence. Success is not bestowed upon the swift, but upon those who endure until the end. In addition to belief, resilience, and perseverance, we must also foster a mindset of positivity. Surround yourself with positivity, banish self-doubt and negativity from your thoughts, and visualize your success with clarity and conviction. A positive mindset is the fuel that propels us forward, even in the face of adversity. Lastly, let us prepare our minds with gratitude. Gratitude is the key that unlocks abundance and attracts blessing into our lives. Take a moment each day to express gratitude for the opportunities, the challenges, and the lessons that shape our journey. By cultivating an attitude of gratitude, we open ourselves up to the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. In conclusion, my fellow achievers, the journey towards our goals begins not with the first step, but with the preparation of our minds. Let us believe in ourselves, embrace resilience, persevere with determination, cultivate positively, and express gratitude for the blessings in our lives. With our minds prepared and our hearts aflame with passion, there is no limit to what we can achieve. So let us march forward boldly towards our goals, knowing that the power to succeed resides with us all. In our pursuit of success, let us never forget the importance of self-care. Take the time to nourish your mind, body, and spirit. Prioritize rest, exercise, and healthy habits that replenish your energy and sustain your resilience. Moreover, let us seek inspiration and gratitude from those who have walked the path before us. Surround yourself with mentors, role models, and individuals who uplift and empower you. Learn from their wisdom, draw strength from their experiences, and let their guidance light the way forward. But remember, Ultimately, the power to reach your goals lies within you. You are the architect of your destiny, the master of your faith. So, dare to dream boldly, dare to envision greatness, and dare to take action with unwavering determination. As we prepare our minds to reach the goal, let us do so with courage, with conviction, and with an underlying belief in our ability to succeed. The journey may be arduous, the path may be winding, but with our minds prepared and our spirits aflame, there is no summit too high for us to conquer. So, my fellow achievers, let us march forward with purpose and passion, knowing that the greatest victories await those who dare to dream, who dare to prepare, and who dare to seize the opportunities that lie ahead. Together, let us embark on this journey toward our goals, united in our pursuit of excellence and driven by the unshakable belief that within each day and every one of us lies the power to achieve greatness. Preparation is not just about laying the groundwork for achievement. It is about honing our skills, refining our strategies, and fortifying our resolve. It is the deliberate act of arming ourselves with the tools necessary to overcome the obstacle that may stand in our way. In the realm of preparation, there exists a powerful concept known as deliberate practice. This is the practice of engaging in focused, goal-oriented activities that push us beyond our comfort zones and stretch our capabilities. It is through deliberate practice that we refine our skills, enhance our expertise, and elevate ourselves to new heights of achievements. But preparation goes beyond mere practice. It encompasses a holistic approach to self-improvement. It is about cultivating discipline, cultivating resilience, and cultivating a growth mindset that embraces challenges and opportunities for growth. In our quest for success, let us not underestimate the importance of planning and organizing. By setting clear, actionable goals and developing a roadmap to achieve them, we empower ourselves to navigate the complexities of our journey with clarity and purpose. Moreover, let us recognize the power of visualization in the process of preparation. By vividly imagining ourselves achieving our goals, we program our minds for success and create a powerful sense of motivation that propels us forward, even in the face of adversity. And finally, let us remember that preparation is not a solitary endeavor. It is through collaboration, cooperation, and community that we amplify our strengths, mitigate our weaknesses, and achieve far greater heights than we ever could on our own. So, my fellow achievers, as we prepare our minds to reach the goal, let us do so with intention, with dedication, and with an unwavering commitment to excellence. The journey may be challenging, but with our minds prepared and our hearts aflame with passion, there is no limit to what we can achieve. Together, let us embrace the journey ahead, knowing that with preparation as our compass and determination as our guide, the destination of success is well within our reach. Absolutely, let's delve deeper into the significance of mental preparation and its impact on achieving our goals. Mental preparation is the foundation upon which success is built. It is the process of conditioning our minds to align with our aspirations, to overcome obstacles, and to seize opportunities with clarity and confidence. Our crucial aspect of mental preparation is the cultivation of resilience. Life is unpredictable, and setbacks are inevitable. However, it is our ability to bounce back from adversity that distinguishes achievers from those who falter. By developing resilience, we equip ourselves with the inner strength to weather any storm and emerge stronger on the other side. Furthermore, mental preparation involves cultivating a mindset of adaptability and flexibility. In a rapidly changing world, the ability to adapt to new circumstances and pivot when necessary is paramount. By embracing change and viewing it as an opportunity for growth rather than a threat, we position ourselves to thrive in any environment. Additionally, mental preparation entails managing our emotions effectively. Emotions can either propel us forward or hold us back, depending on how we harness them. By cultivating emotional intelligence and mastering our inner dialogue, we can channel our emotions in constructive ways that fuel our motivation and drive us forward our goals. Moreover, mental preparation involves fostering sense of purpose and meaning in our endeavors. When we have a clear understanding of why we are pursuing our goals and how they align with our values, we tap into a deep reservoir of motivation that sustains us through even the most challenging times. Lastly, mental preparation requires self-awareness and introspection. It involves taking the time to reflect on our strengths, weaknesses, and areas for growth. By identifying potential obstacles and developing strategies to overcome them, we empower ourselves to navigate the path to success with greater ease and confidence. In conclusion, mental preparation is not merely a prelude to success, it is the cornerstone upon which our achievements are built. By cultivating resilience, adaptability, emotional intelligence, purpose, and self-awareness, we fortify our minds against the trials and tribulations of the journey ahead. So let us commit ourselves to the process of mental preparation, knowing that with a prepared mind, there is no goal beyond our reach. Certainly, let's explore additional dimensions of mental preparation and its transformative impact on our journey toward achieving our goals. Mental preparation entails the cultivation of growth mindset. This mindset is characterized by the belief that our abilities and intelligence can be developed through addiction and hard work. By embracing challenges, learning from criticism, and persisting the face of setbacks, we unlock our full potential and cultivate a sense of mastery over our endeavors. Moreover, mental preparation involves cultivating a sense of accountability and ownership over our actions and outcomes. Rather than succumbing to a victim mentality or placing blame externally, we take responsibility for our choice and activity seek solutions to overcome obstacles that stand in our way. Furthermore, mental preparation encompasses the cultivation of focus and concentration. In a world filled with distractions and competing demands, For our attention, the ability to maintain focus on our goals is paramount. By practicing mindfulness, setting priorities, and eliminating distractions, we enhance our productivity and make meaningful progress toward our aspirations. Additionally, mental preparation involves the cultivation of self confidence and self efficacy. Believing in our ability to succeed and trusting in our capacity to overcome challenges is essential for staying motivated and resilient in the face of adversity. By celebrating our success, acknowledging our achievements, and affirming our worth, we bolster our confidence and fuel our determination to reach our goals. Finally, mental preparation requires a commitment to lifelong learning and personal growth. Success is not a destination, but a journey of continuous improvement and refinement. By embracing curiosity, seeking our new experiences, and expanding our knowledge and skills, we position ourselves to adapt to changing circumstances and seize opportunities for advancement. In summary, mental preparation is a multifaceted process that involves cultivating a growth mindset, taking ownership of our actions, maintaining focus, building self-confidence, and committing to lifelong learning. By investing in our mental preparation, we empower ourselves to overcome challenges, seize opportunities, and achieve our most audacious goals. So let us embark on this journey with courage, determination, and a steadfast commitment to prepare our minds for success.